A lot of PR behind me. As always, I want to say thank you to you guys for being here and supporting me. So there will be some for you guys and some for me as well. Stick around to the end of the video, comment what you're eyeing, like and save this video. Thank you to all of the brands that thought of me for their latest launches. I'm so excited to unpack all of this, try it all. Let's go ahead and get started. So cool from Buxom. This has their new lash extension lift mascara. These are their brand new liner and shadow duos. This is actually so cool. So this is the liner part. On the flip side is like a shadow. Static Nails did a collab with Legally Blonde. This is Bruiser's Bill non-toxic odorless polish and pop-on nail polish remover mascara from Polite Society. Redken sent over some hair goodies. This is their acidic bonding leave-in treatment. Tula nailed it with the packaging here. This is Wake Up Tired Under Eyes Espresso Energizing Eye Balm mousse to oil formula. It is body firming and hydrating. Goodies from Tubby Todd. It's their fresh mango and vanilla scent. It's their collab with Where's Waldo, which is super cute, and I love their all over ointment. Package feels so luxe from Laura Mercier. I'm so excited about this. It is their new Secret Brightening Under Eye Setting Powder, and I love Laura Mercier's powders, but especially their under eye setting powder. You can see here there's a bunch of different shades. These here from Roden and Fields, we have like a tinted moisturizer with SPF in it, full body SPF. We have a hydrating moisturizer body cream here. Serum and a lip plumping oil. Different moisture sticks from Pixi. This is brand new from Kosas. It is their Soul Gazer mascara. New shade of Lawless Forget the Filler Plumping Gloss. This is shade Cherry Pop. It's interesting from Panera Bread. It is their collab with Holler and Glow, and it's a mac and cheese and bread scented lip balm. Cetaphil Goodies cleanser, moisturizing lotion, makeup removing wipes, and a sunscreen stick. Package from Danessa Myricks, Color Fix sticks. Wait, I'm so intrigued. These look really cool, and it's like magnetic. There's two sides to this, and it's a multi-use pearl pigment stick with a refreshing cooling sensation. Perfume from Alice Brooklyn. This is so cool from Ralph Lauren. Look how it opens. If I can do it one-handed. And it smells really nice. This one is from Say Beauty. They came out with a brand new lightweight creamy baked formula setting powder. Here she is. These look so dreamy. It's from Ilia. It's their brand new soft focus blush, blurring blush. Such a cute little bag from Heritage. This is a dry shampoo powder, a double cleansing face wash. Sweet package from Honest. Diapers, wipes, little number blocks, and a little camera to capture all the baby moments. What? Summer Fridays. I opened a few of them, but this is their brand new blush butter bomb. The most insane package from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have their blur bronzers, their contour stick. This is called the Magic Touch Blush Trio. SPF spray from Vacation. This looks like a new product from Divi. It's the Strand Plumping Styling Cream. And then here's their 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Travel kit from Redken. It has their Quick Blowout Root Lifter and Control Hairspray in here. Prettiest blush shades from Pixi. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Newness from Fleur, and this really does smell like a green apple. It smells so good. This package is from Glow Recipe. Enjoy these travel size must-haves that are TSA approved and ready to bring along on your next adventure. Tons of mini size products in here. Basically every Glow Recipe product that you will need. This is so nice. This is from L'Occitane. This is their version of a summer spritz. It's a hair and body mist that smells so nice. It kind of smells just like their lotion, very delicate. That is a wrap. Thank you to all the brands that sent me things. I'm probably gonna do a few product reviews of things that I've really wanted to try, but I also want to give back. So comment below what you are eyeing, and I will pick a few of you guys to send some PR to. Love you guys. Bye.